Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to put adjectives in the correct order when talking about objects. Let's begin with the key points. Size and shape, color and material, full order, around the house, conversation example, how to remember the order, summary. Size and shape. First, let's look at size and shape. When we use adjectives, we say the size first, then the shape. Examples: a big round ball, a small square box, a tall thin vase. Well done. Size comes first, shape comes second. Color and material. Next, we add color and material. Here's the order. Color comes before the material. Examples: a red wooden chair, a blue plastic bottle, a green metal door. Full order. Now let's put all the adjectives together. Here's the correct order when describing an object: size, shape, color, material. Each sentence follows the same order. Let's repeat together. A small round white ceramic plate, a large square brown wooden table, a thin long black plastic pen. Around the house. Let's look around the house and describe some objects. This is a small rectangular black metal speaker. That is a big round white plastic bowl. Here we have a medium square brown wooden table. Conversation example. Now let's see how Sam uses all 4 types of adjectives: size, shape, color, and material to describe one object clearly.
Do you know where my keys are?
Yes, they're on the small flat silver metal tray by the door.
How to remember the order. Here's a quick way to remember the order. Think of the letters S, S, C, M. S, size, S, shape, C, color, M, material. This will help you organize your words when describing any object in English. Summary. Let's review today's key points. Use size before shape. A large round bowl, a small square box. Use color before material. A green metal bowl, a red paper box. The correct full order is size, shape, color, material. A large round green metal bowl, a small square red paper box. Excellent work. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.